Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 9A, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the screen recorder toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, tap on it, select allow, agree, and this will give you a quick overlay of the settings right here. So we have just microphone toggle on and off, and start and stop for the recording, which once you tap on it, it automatically starts, and additionally microphone will be turned on by default. So from here, whatever you will do and the device will record it. So whatever app you open will be recorded, as you can see, and once you're done recording, you can simply tap on this once again and this will save it. So this saved video can be found in your gallery application. I'm just going to mute the device just so I don't hear myself. And from here, you can click on the video, allow access to storage. Give it a second and you should start seeing the video. There we go. So that is how you record your screen, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.